Welcome to my channel Kitchen Explorer. In today's video, we will see a new recipe of blooming onion with a cheesy sauce. So let's get started. Before checking out the recipe, subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon button to get the notification of my new recipe. If you are new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe it, and let's get started. Here I have taken 2 big sized onion. Cut the end part of the onion and peel the skin. Here I finished removing the skin of onion and the upper part, which is going to keep our onion intact. Now we need to cut the onion the way I'm showing in the video. Be careful while cutting it. See, here I finished cutting the onion. Now we need to separate the petals or layers of the onion. Be careful while separating it, or else you may end up with breaking. In the same way, we need to do our second onion also. Now to prepare wet coating, to a bowl add 4 tablespoons of maida, some salt as per taste, and water 1/4 cup plus additional 2 tablespoons. I'm using whisk to remove all the lumps. You can use a regular spoon also. We need to make a thin paste of it. See, here I've removed all the lumps. See the consistency of the batter. Now let's prepare for the dry coating, and to a bowl add 3 tablespoons of maida, 3 tablespoons of rice flour. If you don't have rice flour, you can use corn flour, 2 tablespoons of besan, 1 teaspoon of pizza seasoning. Now add some salt as per taste. Mix everything well. Now we need to dip our onion in the wet coating. Coat it well. We need to separate the layers and coat it. Ensure that all the sides and inside all the layers it has well coated. Be careful while separating it. Now let's coat it in a dry coating. In the similar way, we need to dry coat it. Coat it inside every layers. And shake off the excess one. Same process must be repeated once again. We need to coat it in wet mixture, and then again we need to coat it in dry mixture and shake off the excess dry mixture. See, here I finished coating in a wet mixture once again, and now let's coat it in a dry mixture. In the same way, let's do a second onion also. Now we need to keep it in a regular freezer section for 15 minutes. the cheese sauce, add to a pan 1/4 cup of milk and processed cheese 1 cube. Let the cheese melt. See, the cheese has started melting. Let it mix. See, a cheese has melted and it has started thickening. Cook it for 1 more minute. And here it's done with the recipe of cheese sauce. Let it cool down. Hot oil, now put a blooming onion. Fry it in the medium flame, do not fry it in the high flame. If you fry it in the high flame, the outer layer of the onion will get fried and the inner one remains raw. So fry it in the medium flame itself. Flip it. Ensure that it has fried well. Fry until it turns golden brown in color. See, our onion has fried and let's take it out. In the same way, we need to fry a second onion also. See how tasty and delicious it looks. Dip it in the cheese sauce and just have it. If you like this recipe, then do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're having any comments or suggestions, leave it in the comment section below. Do share it with your family members and friends. Thank you.